Hello English enthusiasts, I hope you're going to be alright, doing well. I want to welcome you to our lovely program. We call it English Accelerators. In this program, we commonly focus on different things, important and rudimentary topics related to English. Of course, we are not going to teach you or train you in a way which is going to be very boring or tiring. No, we are going to learn English in an entertaining way. Yes, of course, we are going to love English, feel English here. Where? Right here. So in this program, we are going to start from A to Z. It means that fundamentals of English for those that they want to learn English academically. Then we are going to go to intermediate and advanced English. There we are going to focus on different topics related to grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and many other rudimentary and paramount topics. Away from all these things, we have some people that they want to know and give a good kind of interview, whether for scholarship or being what? A good person or speaker, and what? IELTS test or Duolingo. We are going to focus on that too. Indeed, we also have a very nice kind of topic related to formal and informal English. We are going to learn where we have to use commonly formal words and informal words. But again, I'm going to tell you that I am not alone. I have a squad. They're working for me and they're helping me. I'm really thankful. We have Mr. Tariq, who is our designer and also cameraman. Yeah, he's a good guy. I really like him. He's a really intelligent boy. Part of it, we are going to have Mr. Shahzad and Mr. Masih. Both of them are our composers, and they are helping me making videos and conveying that to you. I hope you all would stick to us and give us what? A good kind of support by subscribing our channel. And don't forget, we are not teaching you. We are working to make you the best, because we are English accelerators.